Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix failed to load library EVR.dll error in Roblox Windows 10, 11. Open Control Panel, open Programs and Features. Open Turn Windows features on or off. Check Media Features and Windows Media Player. Check Run this program as an administrator. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.